This is the My Camping Adventures channel. Welcome. I'm taking you on an adventure hike in the Allegheny National Forest. Let's see what's around the corner. Beautiful day today. And I want to say thank you, and I appreciate every one of you that watches one of these videos and clicks like or shares or subscribes or just watches. And I hope you enjoy the outdoors, and maybe through one of these videos you can be here with me and enjoy this place. Going around the corner here is where I usually see turkey or deer just standing there. Be interesting if I got a big hairy bipedal ape-like creature, although I'm sure my camera would stop working or they'd say it was AI. Or some guys in black would come and take the video off the internet. But hey, God can have dreams. Beautiful today. It's kind of a lot more off the grid here than you may think I am. I had to drive several miles up a mountain road, cross through that gate, and literally I'm here miles in the forest, probably the only soul in a couple of square miles. Kind of the way I like it. Got my survival day pack on. Yes, I got my bear spray. And I have to apologize to everyone if I sound a little out of breath in these videos. It's generally because I am. I've had sleep apnea probably all my life, a deviated septum, and I'm Sicilian. But I don't let it stop me. Holy shit. There's something over there. Sorry for the S word. Hear that? Not sure what that was. Could be a turkey. Wanted to show you this. Wherever you go, there's evidence of man's activities. This right here that you think is a pristine lake or pond is actually the remnants of a mining operation. It's a tailing pond that over time has filled in with water. Theoretically the water's clean, and little ducks are in here and frogs, things like that. Over here is a path that goes on for miles and miles. It's all strewn with boulders and rocks, however, so I'm taking a different route to a scenic site I think you'll enjoy. I don't know what that bug-like creature is. And I'm hand carrying the GoPro. I thought that just having it on my forehead didn't always give the best view. Not too deep. There is life here. And like I said, the animals come here and use this for drinking. Push comes to shove. If I had to, I'd probably fill up my water purification bottle But first I'd look for a natural spring occurring and coming out of the ground. I work full time, so got a son. Graduated high school, gonna be going to college. But I try and get out and have these adventures whenever I can. It's kind of my therapy. And also sharing with you. I'm old school. I'm 58 years old. And I've been hiking up these mountains. I used to do this when I was 8. I had my G.I. Joe backpack, sleeping bag, my little plastic army helmet. For those of you that remember Kmart, my Kmart flashlight, and my dime store fake Bowie knife. My rations were peanut butter and jelly Pop-Tarts. Now, 50 years later, I'm doing the same thing, just with better gear. Have a couple friends that used to come out with me. One has his own little piece of land now and is usually busy there, and the other one's busy with life and his kids. But hey, guess what? I have almost 430. Holy shit, there's a deer right there. Oh, I wish you could see that. Oh my gosh. He's just standing there frozen. Gosh, I wish I had a better zoom on this. Here's the quandary. I'm going to do some Navy SEAL walking right now. Oh, holy shit, he's gone. Dang. But yeah, like I said, this is the corner I usually turn around. There are deer and turkey standing right here. The Indians used to walk with the heel of their foot, and then they put their, I don't know, toes down. I'm very bad with anatomy. But oh my gosh, see right here? He was standing right there, broadside. Knows it's not hunting season. What a beautiful animal. By the way, I don't hunt. Have nothing against hunting if you consume the food. Just never got into it. Never had anybody to take me or go with. I am an avid fisherman. I love catching trout. If you see the picture on my channel from a few years ago. Right now, literally, it's me and you vicariously and nobody else for miles. What a great feeling. And I'm telling you the truth. There's so many good, I'm out in the middle of the woods for 14 days, survive and rub 2 sticks together channels you could watch. They're all great guys. Probably millions of subscribers. There's cuter people than me doing cooler adventures. But guess what? This is real. This is me. This is my camping adventures that I'm sharing with you. And at almost 59 years old, I'm out here. And like I said, inside, I'm still 23. And I'll be honest with you, no offense to anybody watching my channel who's 23, but bring most 23-year-olds out here today. I don't want to use the Chuck Norris words, but I could kick their ass in the woods, hiking, walking, what I would eat, what I know, what I would do. Might be able to lift more than me depending on whether they go to the gym or not, but I'm getting there too. Every parent should take their kids outdoors, learn a few things, show them a few things, because really it's not a given that our power is going to stay on, or that our house is going to be warm in the winter or cool in the summer. We have access to these places right now. This is National Forest. And since I pay my taxes, I render unto Caesar what is Caesar's. I'm national. This is my forest, and I'm bringing you along. You might see some turkeys. Hopefully we don't see a bear. Hence, got my bear spray. For those who commented on my other video, no, I don't have a 10mm Glock. But if you want to gift one to me, I think I could work out giving you my PO box. Like I said, nothing against self-defense, hunting, anything like that. In fact, I think everybody should know how to take care of themselves. You want to know something? You could throw me in this woods right now with what I have on my back and my knowledge of this land. Come and look for me a month from now. Barring a tree falling on me, I'd be perfectly fine. You know, there's a type of tree that you can get salicylic acid from. It's like aspirin. One time I was hiking, I just learned about it, and I'm looking all through this forest because I'm going to get some of that inner bark and I'm going to chew on it, and it's going to take my pain away. Guess what? They don't grow in the Allegheny Forest. They grow in Erie by the peninsula. But hey, we got pine trees. I'm good. I love this place. Look at this. Hope you can see those rocks right there. Those are left over from the glacial period 12,500 years ago. Walking and talking. Hear that? That's a woodpecker. Oh, it is so much nicer being out here and being in the traffic, being in a store, being crammed in with thousands of people. A little bit of pain I'm in now. Sometimes when I hike, it's worth it. Around this corner is where I've usually seen turkeys. There's a drop off going down there, probably about 100 feet. Didn't bring my rope with me. Maybe I would have rappelled down there. perfect day. Not too hot, not too cold. I did spray my legs and my pants and my boots with Picadarn. It's the only second time this year I've been down here. You had the e-bike and the Jeep adventures on my channel that you could watch on that. Hopefully, big guy upstairs willing, I'm gonna do another Jeep adventure later today again. And maybe an e-bike one too. But sometimes it's just good to get out and go for a walk in the woods. Yeah, I think that was a famous book and video back in the day. I love all of you that are coming along with me on this adventure. Look, there's some pretty flowers. I like when I see in the analytics that it's not just 100% males, 45 to 54 or older. I love seeing younger people, older people, not the last age demographic yet, men, women, people from other countries. Shout out to my mates in the United Kingdom, Australia. Canada, those in Sri Lanka I saw pop up that are watching, really everywhere. Again, I wish this world was a different place and I could buy everybody a Coke and we can all have a smile. But I'm smiling right now because I'm here and I'm with you. And even though I'm alone, I'm not. Rounding the bend here, we're coming to the power lines. Guess what? This is kind of where they say in all those TV shows that theoretical hairy bipedal apes uses highways. And guess what's down here? Berries. Hopefully there's berries. Hopefully there's not a bear. Hey bear! Hello? I'm not doing that for show. I'm trying to hold the camera further out so you don't have to suffer and hear my breathing. Ow! How come I always get hit with big bugs? Okay, there were berries down here. There better still be berries, because I hiked here for berries. And you. And me. Where did all the berries go? Literally, last year, this is all the field of berries. Where'd they go? Unreal. Well, no berries for you. Thank God I brought some water. Look at that view. Look at that view. I'm going to try and go down here a little more without tripping and falling. Give you the money shot. You deserve it if you're still watching. Oh, look at that cool little flower. There's so much beauty out here that people never get to see because they don't venture outside of their house or the roads. But I'm telling you, you do come out here, be prepared. Have at least your 10 essentials. Have some food. Have some water. Have some first aid. Some basic medical stuff. Medicines. Ibuprofen. No medical advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Look at this. Look at the view I get for just the cost of gas driving here, the gear on my back to kind of keep me alive if I trip. Look at that view. That's what I want to share with you on this channel. Again, this is the My Camping Adventures channel. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can live stream and maybe monetize, make a little bit of money to put back in the channel. Be nice if I had 1 million subscribers, or even a couple thousand, and I could do this for a living. I'd take you places. I'd do things you'd want to and maybe couldn't do. Maybe I'd help my family a little bit. I've worked every single day of my life except for 2 weeks since I was 16. I suppose you can put a lot into this, and this is a lot of work for a lot of YouTubers. It's their business. I want this to be my joy and my time with you guys. I'm really liking this GoPro camera. Wore long pants, starting to get hot. They're zip on, zip off. But I think with all this brush, I'm gonna leave them zipped on. Again, I was bright enough to wear a t-shirt. Also, always wear gloves. Never know what you're gonna reach out and touch or have to grab. Protect your feet. Protect your hands. Okay. This is the other scary middle of nowhere spot where animals are hiding. I'm sure they've already heard me breathing by now. I love that one spot where I catch the deer all the time. I went down, way down in here, below the ravine, exploring one time. Did a slide fall, about 20 feet. Ended up at the bottom of the ravine, perfectly okay. But, thankfully, I had my Spot X with me if I needed it. What the? Oh, it's a log. How does a log that appears cut, no, it's broken. All right, question. Okay, maybe it fell off that tree right there in a storm. Never know what you're gonna find right in the corner. That's why I do this. That's why I bring you along. Now, back in here, it's kind of a no man's land, another hideout spot for the deer. Let's go see what we can find. Might make another short out of part of this video, since more people like to 15-minute shorts or second shorts, but people like the videos too. Hey, more pretty flowers. You know, when I know how it's time for me to drink water, I start thinking in my head the song, "You Are My Sunshine." When I start thinking that in my head and start wanting to sing "You Are My Sunshine," that's the time for me to stop, take a break, and drink. Look, more big rocks. Amazing. It's amazing that all these rocks are left over from a 12,500 year glacial event. This is where I went and kept going down, and eventually did my slip fall. Way down to the end there, it kind of drops off a lot more. Don't think my wife watches any of these videos, so I could pretty much tell you all the mishaps I almost had, and well, I'm good. Okay, getting up here, kind of a little clearing area, and then it's kind of weird because past this clearing area there's a little bit of a tree lane shaded area, and if you were a deer hunter, that's where you'd find the deer during hunting season. Where those two trees are, past that point, this is like Deerapalooza back here, but I think they heard me coming, but I'll show you. This is the spot past this tree where I found groups of deer just hanging out, congregating, when I've been able to get to here a lot quieter. Well, this is the end of my hiking adventure and the end of my first adventure this weekend, hopefully. More to come in the Allegheny Forest. This is the My Camping Adventures channel, showing you the secret deer spot where all the deer congregate, and a good place to come during hunting season if you hunt, or a nature walk and you hunt with your eyes. This is the My Camping Adventures channel. I'm very thankful to have you along and share this adventure with me. Please like, share, and really, please subscribe and ask your friends. I have no big channel shout outs, I have no affiliations. I'm just here hanging out with all you guys around the world, my mates, my buds, my fellow outdoor lovers, the free thinkers. You're all welcome. Take care, and we will see you soon. GoPro, stop recording.